Reverse non-alcoholic fatty liver. Liver. A toxic liver can be a source of few untreatable health conditions if not tended timely and adequately. The liver is a blood purifier. It absorbs nutrition from the stomach and carries out few vitally essential processes to make it absorbable by the body. It plays a significant role in protein synthesis, sugar management, fat metabolism, and produces indispensable hormones for sound health. In this video, you will know fatty liver causes. Solution: liver foods.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Fatty liver causes. Consumption of harmful foods and drinks, particularly alcohol, causes damage to liver tissues. Although the liver is the only organ in the body that can regenerate damaged tissues and regain pristine health, but to regenerate tissues, it needs a breather which can give it sufficient time to recover. Most people who consume alcohol or under medication do not let their liver recover, making it stressed and out of order. Herbal liver cleanse supplements are the most effective ways to relieve the liver and regain lost health and functions. Genetic factors, high-fat foods, diabetes, contaminated water, and heavy metal exposure are other factors that are severe on the liver and harm its health and performance. Natural solution. To get rid of various liver-related disorders or preventing them in advance, one needs to consume Livoplus herbal liver support pills for its detoxification. Such pills contain time-tested herbs blended in the right proportion so that no one experiences any side effects even if they use them for a prolonged duration. The herbal-based formulae have been used for centuries and are well known for their ability for liver support. The results produced are guarantee that it is capable of getting shown beyond one's expectations. If you want to know how to get Livoplus capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Vital herbs. Livoplus capsules combine some time-tested, highly beneficial herbs. Solanum virginianum, Sycorium intybus, Tinospora cordifolia, Solanum nigrum, Terminalia arjuna, Philanthus nerori, Terminalia cebula, Cassia occidentalis, etc. These herbs collectively cleanse the liver, free it from fat and toxins, and improve its functions quickly. Liver foods. Diet. Include grapefruit, blueberries and cranberries, grapes, prickly pear, beet juice, cruciferous vegetables, nuts, fatty fish, and olive oil in your daily diet. Drink coffee. It increases antioxidant levels in the liver, all while decreasing inflammation. It also helps lower the risk of developing liver disease, cancer, and fatty liver. Drink tea. Black and green tea may help improve enzyme and fat levels in the liver. Fight infection. Infections are other significant causes of a toxic liver. Severe infections like hepatitis A, B, and C and health problems like jaundice damage tissues even cause non-alcoholic cirrhosis. The liver gets swollen and enlarged due to infections and chronic jaundice. Livoplus natural liver cleansing pills possess herbs that are antimicrobial and handle infections effectively. These protect cells and tissues from bacterial and viral infections and improve liver functions. Free radicals can damage any organ and cell of the body. These also lower nutritional uptake by damaging nutrients floating in blood. Herbs in Livoplus capsules are sources of powerful and active antioxidants which inhibit free radicals and protect cells and tissues from damages. The presence of antioxidants also slows down aging and keeps organs healthy and high on endurance. World's finest liver detox pills.
100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Livoplus capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.